Hey, this is Justin from Vibrations Tackle. You are watching, I believe in the ECHOTAIL blade bait system because our lures catch fish, period. Today I am putting together, it is midweek, my uncle is a little bit slow with work right now. Why? Because he trims trees and he climbs trees. So what do you do during the wintertime when you're a tree man? You go out and you ice fish, especially on those windy days. And up here in the north, windy days are not a good idea to be hanging out of a tree. So he does a lot of ice fishing, and that's what I'm here to do. Is I'm going to show you a kit that I'm putting together for him. I call it the DIY ice fishing kit. These aren't available. You're not going to find these anywhere. They may be available next year. If it's something that anybody would be interested in, you can certainly contact us. Get our contact information off our website at www.vibrationstackle.com and talk with us, and what we'll try to do is customize needs. I can't promise that we're going to be able to get these out right away because we have trade shows coming up. So with that being said, hope everybody is first of all staying healthy. We've had a stomach bug going through our house, and I feel anybody's pain that's going through that right now. In the kit, I just wanted to share with you a little bit about what I put in here and why I put it in here. So this is a DIY kit. Why? Because, well, my uncle sits in an ice shanty. Oftentimes he's jigging or he's on the move while he's watching his tip-up. So this is a great way to kill time. It brings out a little creativity, watch a football game, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to show you what we got packed in here. First of all, obviously, we have the ECHOTAIL jigs from 10th ounce all the way up to, geez, I think there's even a rattle ounce and a half in here. I basically just put in an assortment to see what he could create. That's kind of the neat system, or the neat part about this ECHOTAIL system, is it really allows anglers to customize whatever they think they want, and really build their own lure, whether it's a jig or spoon on a profiled lure. So with that being said, we included a bunch of mylar, we included some marabou, we've got some pre-banded mylar here, so you can actually stick those right onto the backs of the funny boat. This is called the shrimp rig. See how that plastic, when it sits in the water, you can actually bend that up. That barb allows that plastic to be absolutely horizontal, and this thing is really neat on the bottom. So put a ice fishing or a rattle blade in there, but you know, just an assortment essentially for him to play around with whatever he wants, and kind of a neat way to kill time. But in order to do that, he definitely is going to need some tools. So I put a little scissors in there for him. You'll need a split ring pliers, and that brings me to the components. And the components, I just put a little component tray in here for him. I have these tube of hooks and components and split rings, and I even included a couple bobbins for him to tie on that marabou. And then the other little kit that I put in here too, where it's just this is just a pill box, but this is a really neat way to actually you know, hold all the different plastics that he could mix and match and experiment with. And then of course I'm going to give him also this empty box, because he can't carry this around if he wants to go out searching for fish, right? Maybe he wants to build, perhaps he just wants to build some customized lures and then have something small and compact that he could just kind of fit inside of his ice coat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe if you are interested in these awesome kits that we're putting together, or a product line, or interested in learning more about our product line. This is where you're going to find the bulk of our information. We will be attending a few shows coming up in 2019. We've got the Chicago Muskie Show, we got the Milwaukee Muskie Expo, and then we also have the Wisconsin Fishing Expo in Madison, Wisconsin. And this will be the 4th annual coloring contest that we're going to be offering for the kids. Design your own ECHOTAIL. We're going to draw 6 winners, and they're actually going to get their names printed onto the lure that they designed if they have their names drawn. So be sure to keep following. Thank you. Subscribe, share with your friends, comment what you think about a DIY ice fishing kit to kill time while you're watching your tip-ups, or just to be creative. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.